Hello, my name is Jeannie Stubbs, LSC-Kingwood Advising Manager. On behalf of the advising team, I would like to welcome you to LSC. I'm excited to share with you some information about the degrees and services that we have to offer. LSC offers transfer degrees, such as the Associate of Arts and the Associate of Science, that are ideal for students who plan to pursue bachelor's and higher-level degrees. Students may pursue a general Associate of Arts or Science, or choose an area of specialization, such as the Associate of Arts in Criminal Justice or the Associate of Science in Biology. Advisors can help you choose a transfer degree and plan courses based on your academic goals. LSC also offers career and technical or workforce credentials. These are the Associate of Applied Science and certificate programs. An Associate of Applied Science typically takes around 2 years to complete. While the degree includes some general education coursework, it mostly focuses on courses that develop skills for the workforce. Some popular workforce degrees at LSC-Kingwood include nursing, cosmetology, and process technology. For students who want to enter the workforce more quickly, LSC offers certificate programs that may take as little as 1 semester to 1 year to complete. Certificates focus even more specifically on knowledge needed to enter the workforce. Once you pick a degree or certificate plan, you'll be assigned an advisor based on your area of study. Unless your area of study changes, you will have the same advisor throughout your time at LSC. If you're unsure of your goals, advisors can help you explore degree and certificate options in the areas of study you are interested in. Advisors can also help you locate resources on campus to promote success in your academic journey. Whether you are a first-time college student, a professional returning to school to learn new skills, an international student, a veteran, or belong to any one of the many special student populations represented at LSC, we have resources and organizations on our campus designed to support your growth and achievement. Don't hesitate to ask your advisor for help. We're here to help you find the answers you need.
Welcome to Lone Star College-Kingwood, and as we say here, welcome to the pack. I hope you're excited to start your new journey here at Lone Star College-Kingwood. My name is Brandon Richardson. I am the Program Coordinator for the Student Success Institute, SSI. I know your big question is what SSI is and how does it benefit me? The SSI program empowers underrepresented students to achieve personal and academic excellence through holistic advising, mentorship, and campus engagement. To break that down a bit further, let me ask you 3 questions. If you answer yes to any of these 3 questions, I strongly encourage you to apply. 1, are you already feeling lost and overwhelmed? 2, could you use support from a trained mentor to help you navigate college? 3, could you benefit from a strong friend group with like-minded goals? We also offer and focus on University Transfer Assistant, Student Success Workshops, our annual leadership conference, and one-on-one advising and mentorship. To join SSI, please complete and submit a student application online and schedule a meeting with me. You, the student, will have the opportunity to share your academic goals and explore ways that SSI can be an advocate for you and your success. You can find the application on our website. To find our website, type in SSI in the Lone Star search engine or contact me at brandonrichardson2@lonestar.edu. Thank you. Have a wonderful semester.
Hello, my name is Donna Washington, and I'm the Manager of Career Counseling for your Career Services. Career Services is located in SCC 205, across from the Testing Center on the 2nd floor of the Student Conference Center. We are here to help you select a major and discover career options for your chosen major. We also assist with your job search by editing your resume and cover letter and providing mock interviews. We even offer free professional attire through our career closet and partnerships with local organizations such as Dress for Success. Whether you need assistance finding full or part-time employment, internships, or volunteer opportunities, Career Services is here for you.
Hello everyone, my name is Titania Jackson and I'm the Program Manager for Communities and Schools at Lone Star College-Kingwood. Communities and Schools, or CIS, is a campus-based dropout prevention program for student success. CIS offers tailored support and wraparound services for each and every student that walks through our door. I work with you on a continuous basis through a voluntary and confidential program that provides the following core services: supportive guidance and counseling, health and human services, educational enhancement, career awareness, cultural enrichment, and lastly, parental and family involvement. If you are a student who may need extra emotional support on campus, assistance navigating college life, or have stress-related concerns, please contact me by email, the Lone Star College website referral link, or by phone. Let's start your college life together.
Welcome to Lone Star College-Kingwood. We are excited to have you as a part of the Coyote family, and we want to provide you with additional resources to ensure your success. My name is Danielle Ward, and I work with the TRIO Student Support Services Program, which is funded by the U.S. Department of Education. We help motivated students earn a certificate or associate's degree and then transfer to a four-year college or university with the lowest amount of debt possible. TRIO SSS offers multiple resources to support you on your college journey. Leadership programs, college road trips, transfer advising, financial management, and so much more. And the best part is that everything that we offer is free. That's right, it's free. So whether you join us for our great programming or maybe you just need some extra support, we're here for you. And research tells us that students who participate in TRIO SSS programs are more likely to excel in college. So if you're ready to take the next step and you're a student who is first generation, limited income, or you have a documented disability, apply on our website. Space is limited, but we would love for you to be a part of our TRIO fam at LSC-Kingwood. Stop by SCC 195 and we will help you graduate so that you can graduate again.
Hello, and welcome to Lone Star College-Kingwood. To each of our new and returning students, my name is Sonny Solomon, and I serve as the Director of Student Life on the LSC-Kingwood campus. The Office of Student Life is physically located in the Student Conference Center, also known as the SCC, on the second floor in room 240. This is also where you will find our activity center, which houses our pool tables and video game equipment. More information about how you can access and safely enjoy this space while following social distancing and health guidelines will be provided as the semester begins. The Office of Student Life also focuses on providing you with a well-rounded college experience through exciting co-curricular programs and activities that encourage knowledge about cultural diversity, social interaction, leadership skills building, mental well-being, and cognitive development. Every Monday morning, you will receive a Coyote Connections newsletter from the Office of Student Life in your Lone Star College email. This newsletter is important if you want to be involved, because it will highlight all of the programs and events happening during the upcoming week. Many of these events are interactive, and some may even involve a snack or a free lunch. We are also looking for students who want to be involved in the event planning process because it's a great way to improve campus life, build professional skills, network with faculty and staff, and also meet other students. The Office of Student Life also offers a wide variety of registered student organizations, or RSOs. Our registered student organizations provide a framework for you to develop your own special talents and interests with other like-minded students and faculty. Student participation in RSOs involve attending meetings and events hosted by the organization, as well as holding leadership positions within the organization and the executive board. If you have an idea for a club that's not currently offered, please contact the Office of Student Life to discuss the possibility of starting your own club. In closing, our message is simple. We want you to get involved. The college experience is a lot more fulfilling when you are engaged in activities inside and outside of the classroom. If you don't know where to start, that's fine. Just reach out to the Office of Student Life team. We're happy to help you to navigate your college experience. Again, welcome.